Marshy. They're like, dang, it's like a jungle out here. She loves it. Kitty, get out of the mud. Let me see it. Bring it here. Put it down. Marcy, put the ball down. Good girl. You're a good girl. Ready? Huh? Smile. I wish I could see it. Maybe I can. We saw one in the woods the other day. Check it out. There's a waterfall. It's like a foot tall. Bring it here, Marsh. Get your fat head around it. It's a nice cedar. Get away from me. What kind of bird is that? There's the kitties. Hey, what are you doing? You guys are goofy. White tip's getting big. Great white. You gotta use a goofball. You the goofball? He thinks she's a sweet kitty. Everybody thinks he's radical. I mean, they say it. They said he's radical. Shout out. Shout out to Battlecat. Marcy, quit eating that. You don't eat salad. Look at this path. There ain't been cows over here for God knows how long. Probably deer. It's like a human path.